I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Yes, not wasting much of your time. Today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys how you can generate high quality images. Yeah, high quality stock images, no matter the kind of images, using Chat GPT and some AI tools. Yes, some persons have actually been saying AI is actually going to take away graphic designers' job, but I don't really believe in that, simply because I see AI as an advantage to graphic designers to leverage on it and easing their work. You can't just make use of AI or ChatGPT um to create a design, a flyer design, be it the fact that there will be correction, there will be corrections, and AI won't give you that same exact design. Do you understand? It changes designs over time. So that's one of the limitations I've seen so far with using ChatGPT and AI. So today I'm actually going to be sharing with you how you can actually generate. Sometimes you might go on the internet and let's search for some stock images. You can go on the internet, you just search for stock image. Yes, you can see some stock image. Yeah, let's make use of this. You can see it like this is not really sharp. Do you get? Notwithstanding, you would have to work on it. You have to retouch. You would have to just play around and do your thing around the pictures using your Photoshop like that. But then you would you face a lot of challenge. But then if you have a high quality picture, it solves the problem. So how do you do this? Now you let's save this picture. You can do this to even product design too. Let's save this. I think I had saved it before now. So let me close this and open. So you need ChatGPT here. You would need ChatGPT. So I have my ChatGPT here, so I can just open it here. So this is my ChatGPT. So you would import the picture. This is the picture. So import the picture, then allow it to load. Then you include this prompt. I will be adding this prompt to the description, to do well to check out the prompt. And okay, you say please help me with the prompt. Let's say help me with the exact prompt for this image. Yes, so just give it some time, it will do its magic. So it helps us with the exact prompt. Yes, so this is the exact prompt to the image. So let's copy. So let's open, and we're going to, so we are done with this tab, so we can close it. So you go to ImageFX. Yes, so I'll be putting the link in the description. How the link in the description, so you would paste it. But before then, you just type help me generate a, that's all you get. So let's copy the same thing and let's click on create. So ImageFX, the reason why I love using this is because it creates four different images here. What's the problem? Could not create. Try a different prompt. Why me generate? Okay, I think my spelling was wrong there, so let me click on create again. It should create this time around. So let's copy same and take to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT also have, based on the latest upgrade, ChatGPT also have the privilege of um the feature actually of creating an image. So let's try it out. So let it do its magic. Waiting for it. Processing. Yeah, we're waiting for you. Yes, do you see? This is top-notch quality. Like, tell me you won't love to use this compared to the other one. You see, these are lovely images, lovely pictures that GPT has given us. So you can just play around with this, and these are very high quality that they would, retouching it won't be difficult. Just take a look at this. Yeah, love this. So we're waiting for ChatGPT to do its magic. Let's compare the two together. Yeah. Meanwhile, if you are following this channel for the first time, if you're stumbling on this channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you find this very interesting and very beneficial, please do well to um drop a comment below and click on the thumbs up button. Yeah. Yes, ChatGPT actually tried. ChatGPT tried, yes. But I actually love ChatGPT for the fact that they can actually work with prompts. You get, actually give the right prompt. So making use of free ChatGPT has limitations of probably the amount of photos you can actually upload in a day. I think so. I've not tried that, but sometimes I would upload pictures like consistently, probably for 5 or 6 times within an hour like that, and ChatGPT will just kind of lock. So I have to sign up with another account. So for me, if ChatGPT is actually good with prompting, so but then if you feel I'm not right, so you can actually tell me a way on how to go about that in the comment section. So but um I'm actually impressed with what ChatGPT gave, but that of this website, it gave the exact. Yes, it gave the exact. Just look at let's check through. I don't want this video to be a long one, so let's check through. This is the image we got. So, and it gave us this. There are actually similarities and you can make use of it. So thank you guys. Do well to like and subscribe. So if you find this helpful, yeah, thank you guys.